Hello, I'm Jason Hawkins, CEO at Community Tax Service, where we pride ourselves on giving expert tax guidance to both individuals and owners of small businesses. The majority of the small business owners that we work with are single owner operators. They have no other employees, and in many cases, they are simply providing a service or selling a product. If you're a provider of one of these services, or perhaps a service not listed, and your income is currently being reported on a 1099 instead of a W-2, from a tax standpoint, you're considered to be self-employed, and it would pay to speak to a tax expert that specializes in working with small business owners. Because your income is being reported on a 1099 instead of a W-2, when you file your taxes each year, it is required that you file using a Schedule C. The income reported on your Schedule C is not only subject to ordinary income tax, but you also pay additional tax for being self-employed. These additional taxes that you're paying currently are what we seek to minimize for our small business owners. Let's look at an example of someone that is self-employed reporting a $50,000 a year income. What you'll discover is that you're paying $7,000 a year more in taxes than you would be if you were a W-2 employee. At our office, when we see this type of return come through the door, we immediately begin educating you on a more efficient way to report your income each year. We help you structure your business correctly so that you can take advantage of the tax strategies that were created for the benefit of the small business owner. And then we help you maintain this tax filing status throughout the year by keeping you in compliance with the IRS guidelines. Now that I've had you focus on the additional tax that you've been paying by reporting your income on a Schedule C, let's reveal the rest of the story. Now, if you were this $50,000 a year self-employed individual and you came into our office, we're more than likely going to suggest that you change the way you've been filing your taxes each year. It would be to your benefit to set up a corporation and elect to file as an S Corp. By doing this, we can help minimize the self-employment tax that you pay and save you thousands of dollars in tax liability each year. The best part is that we do everything for you with our Business Essentials subscription. The tax savings will far outweigh any fees for service that we would charge, and as your business continues to grow, so will your tax savings and your bottom line. So if you're someone that is self-employed reporting more than $30,000 a year of net income, and your current tax professional isn't talking to you about these types of strategies, or maybe you've been doing your own taxes online, reach out to us today for a free evaluation. Thanks for taking a few minutes out of your day to watch our video. We hope to have an opportunity to serve you at some point in the future.